Hello, Jerry and Tom. Zimri Mayfield here, back with another video.
Hello. Gorgeous.
Today I'm gonna flip the script. I'm going to commence a complete portfolio overhaul. Get pumped, cuz it could be rather exciting. Maybe, depending on how it goes. I'm gonna choose about 5 or 6 projects that I think have the most potential. And then I'm gonna work on those to really present those projects very well, to hopefully the par that I think my design level is at right now. I'm gonna start with one project today. First off, I'm gonna get some inspiration for this project. So let's get started. The project that I'm going to redesign today is a little mobile app I designed called Cool Bags Incorporated. Oh, this one is pretty. I like how the phone color is the same as the background. I can do something like that. That'd be really good. Probably font is not as important for a mobile app design, so maybe I won't include that. This is very awesome. Also, they made the phone edges similar color to the screens themselves. How about this guy, Sky Scanner? Pretty cool, but I feel like there's too much going on. I feel like they don't often show just straight up images of the UI. You know, it's like always at an angle or something. So this guy's showing like more of the actual screens themselves. This is very interesting. There's just subtle lines of the rest of the phone behind, and then there's pages on top of that. I like that a lot. Let's take a look at the project I want to change. I like this part here is cool. The color is nice. And the phone's a little bit see-through, that's cool. I might actually want to change the logo. I'm not in love with the logo, I don't like the logo. Let's see if we can put more emphasis on the screens themselves. Try to put in all the screens. All right, let's do that. And it started. I wanted to come back and change this logo because it wasn't that good. It was pretty complicated. So what I did was I just made it a solid thing, and then I put a C for what? For cool. I cut that out of the backpack. Oh yes, very innovative, very genius. And then I put the main first screen of the app into a little iPhone mock-up. This is probably one of my fave iPhone mock-ups, and part of the inspiration for this was, you know the one we saw where the edge of the phone was the same as the background. I thought that was super cool, so that's what I did. And then I brought in I wanted to do 4 screens on a page, but I had 8, but I forgot that I used the first screen on the home on the first image, so then I only had 7 left over. So on this page I did 4, and I wanted to just add an extra UI element at the top there. That's why you see that bar with some stuff. Yeah. I was working on a different way to display portfolio stuff. So I had been making just one long image that was the whole portfolio together. And this was different because I was making 4 images of the same size. And I wasn't using different artboards actually. In El Photoshopper, I just made different, what do you call those? Folders. That's right, folders. And one was just page 1, page 2, page 3, page 7, because I don't like 3, 4, or 5, or 6. So I tried to add minimal text, just to explain what the project was, and maybe a little bit at semi the end, maybe just a one thought. And I think I wrote something about how the color, the energy of the blue, and then against the white makes kind of a cool, energetic, youthful feel, and that's very much the brand of Cool Bags Inc. So it makes sense. Tried to get that across, and then at the end I just wanted to add in a human. You know, because sometimes you make stuff that's just about an app and there's no humanity. All right, Fred Flintstone, I just finished making a couple pages for the new portfolio item. It's a lot more simple than the last one, and the orientation is a lot different, and I think I've shown the pages and the actual UI elements a lot more clearly than it was previously. But now I'm gonna go ahead and upload it to Behance and see about like the spacing between each image, see how that works out. And then I'm gonna try to get it onto this iPad here and see how that flow works and the size of the images. Okay, let's do that now. Catch you in a minute to win it. Yeah, nice. Yo, what up, dope kids? I just uploaded the project to Behance. If you wanna go see the final rework of the project, just hit the link in the description below. It'll be there. And also, I'm very surprised. It was very easy, actually. Everything worked out. Let me see if I can get close. Heck yes. So it was a pretty easy process getting it up on my iPad. Please give some tips on it if you go look at it. Please leave some feedback for ways that we can improve this portfolio item. Anyways, thank you so much for being here. You guys are awesome possum, and leave a like on the video if you liked it. If you didn't, don't worry, don't like it. Okay, see you guys later. Stay awesome possum, and I'll see you in the afterlife. No, I'll see you later. Bye.